nice. About to bring these pups in here, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that big bag or not. Go in here. Get these puppies checked. See what they say, y'all.
I'm gonna need my car for this one.
Bear, what are you doing, huh? How are you, little thing?
Eating cat poop out of the flower bed.
Oh, no. Silly boy. Yeah.
Well, look what it keeps doing to you.
Well, we definitely have some more roundworms, so we're gonna get rid of those with this. Our cutie is, now, when's he due his next heart one? Let's see. Okay, he's 42 pounds today, I think. We're gonna go ahead and put him on the 50 to 100 weight range. That.
So, how much does she weigh?
Oh, I gotta,
Gotta reset it.
yeah, there we go.
1 pound, 10 ounces is what I got at home.
Yeah, it looks like.
Yeah?
Hang on, sweetheart. I'm gonna say 1 pound, 14.7.
Okay. Yeah, they're putting on. This is the smallest of the whole litter. It's the black female.
1
1 pound, 5 ounces.
looks like it.
She's so cute.
She is. She's got a pretty black color.
He is, yeah.
Oh my goodness, he's
Yeah,
handsome.
he is my favorite one.
He's this ready. 1 pound, 13.3. Oh,
Yeah.
Yep.
1 pound, 13
yep,
ounces.
he's pretty.
Yeah, he's my favorite.
He's 14.3.
So he's about the same size as the Merle, right?
Yep.
This is the black male.
You're cute too.
Yeah,
Oh, goodness.
1 pound, 14 ounces. He's
Yep.
the same size as the Merle female. He's just so cute.
You get your butt on there.
These black ones are pretty.
Oh yeah.
It's just the pictures don't do them justice. Hey, buddy.
Any name for him?
No. There's Dr. Reed's checking out the smallest black female. Like I said, pictures and videos don't do them justice on these black pups because they're just hard to show off, but they are really, really cute. Here we got the male. He's 1 pound, 14 ounces. He's the same size as the female. And like I said, these black pups, the videos and pictures don't do them justice. They're beautiful, y'all. We got the little red male, guys. He's my favorite. Look at him.
Very pretty puppy.
Yeah. Pictures and videos don't really do him justice. He's 1 pound, 12 ounces. So he's also gonna be one of the first ones to go. Yeah, real nice.
Let's listen to your heart.
There is Stella, guys, the Merle female everybody's been calling about. Look how pretty she is. And she winked her eyes. And again, she's just beautiful. Videos, pictures don't really do them justice, but there's a nice little view of her. And Dr. Reese checking her out.
So we're gonna send some info home with this litter, and then, we'll be using Lacey's litter. I don't, I think, he said he did, I don't know if that is. And these are,
So there it is, guys. Just had the puppies check. And I was talking to one of the techs. She's actually got a pup. A couple of the techs that work here have already got a pup from me. And they are very, very happy with it. So, it's nothing better than having references and word of mouth, guys. That's where it's at. So, this litter of pups, the doctor, first thing she noticed is the puppy's bite, you know, and she's looking at, you know, it's not easy, guys. You have to really, really line them up. You have to really know how to breed what male to what female, and just selectively breed your stock. And some pups, you know, a perfect puppy is almost impossible, but you could always do your best. So, to better each generation, and it shows. So there it is, guys. We're putting them, I like carrying them in this carrier, but they travel in here because you don't want them to get too hot and not have enough air or oxygen. Dang, look at this red one. He's already getting out the box. Stay in there, buddy. So, that's it, guys. Well, thanks a lot for everybody who's inquiring. I've got people already sending deposits and everything. I really appreciate the trust. And I'll do my best I can to get these pups to keep growing healthy and everything. I'm gonna hold on to them till they're about 10 weeks, which is gonna put them at about December 20th or so. So that's something else. I really like how things go when I hold on to them those extra 2 weeks versus trying to rush and let them go at 8 weeks like a lot of breeders do. When I hold on to them till 10 weeks, they have a better immunity and a better chance of their new owners being easier on them, you know. So thanks a lot, guys. God bless.